The modern myth versus the ancient truth. We live in a world screaming for instant results. Hustle culture tells us to grind 24/7. The algorithm rewards reactivity. And when we face a setback, a lost job, a failed plan, a personal hardship, we're told to pivot fast or be left behind. It's exhausting. But what if there's a flaw in that entire formula? What if the real secret to building a future that doesn't just look successful, but feels successful, filled with peace, purpose, and sustainable blessings, isn't about moving faster, but about a specific type of endurance? In Islam, this is called sabr, and it's not passive waiting, it's not resignation. It is the most active, strategic, and faith-driven force you can cultivate. Today, we're dismantling the myth of patience as weakness and revealing how Islamic Sabr is in fact the divine architect of your future success. Sabr deconstructed. It's not what you think. Let's redefine our terms. The Arabic word sabr comes from a root meaning to restrain or to hold fast. Imagine a ship in a storm. Sabr isn't the hope that the storm will pass, it's the active work of holding the wheel, adjusting the sails, and trusting your navigation, all while enduring the wind and rain. The prophetic blueprint. The life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the ultimate manual. Consider his 13 years in Mecca after the first revelation. Faced with rejection, boycott, and persecution, what did he do? He didn't give up his message, sabr in obedience. He didn't retaliate with hatred, sabr against anger. He didn't lose hope in Allah's promise, sabr in certainty. This active, multifaceted endurance built the foundation for the entire future of the Muslim community. His sabr wasn't the pause before success, it was the process of success itself. The 3 dimensions of sabr. Scholars break it down. Sabr ala ta'ya, patience in steadfastly performing good deeds even when it's hard. Sabr an al-masiyah, patience in restraining yourself from disobedience and sin. And sabr ala al-musibah, patience in persevering through trials you didn't choose. This is the active engine. It's doing the right thing, avoiding the wrong thing, and enduring the hard thing, all with a conscious connection to Allah. The 2026 test, applying sabr in a chaotic world. Let's get practical. What does this look like in your life right now? Scenario 1, the career maze. You've sent 100 applications, radio silence. The easy path is despair or bitterness. Sabr says, this test is refining my resume, my interview skills, my dua. My provision is written by Allah. I will continue to improve my skills, network with integrity, and trust that the right door will open at the right time. This mindset prevents burnout and opens you to opportunities hustle culture anxiety blinds you to. Scenario 2, the relationship strain. A misunderstanding creates distance. The reactive move is a heated text or silent treatment. Sabr is the deep breath before speaking. It's the patience to listen, to suppress the ego's desire to be right, and to seek reconciliation with wisdom. This builds bonds that last. Scenario 3, the global uncertainty. News cycles breed fear. Sabr is anchoring yourself in the remembrance of Allah, zikr. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The affair of the believer is amazing. If hardship befalls him, he is patient, and that is good for him." Sahih Muslim. This sabr transforms you from a passive consumer of chaos into an anchored, positive agent within it. Divine timing and spiritual discipline, the engine room. This is the core. Sabr is impossible without trust in Allah's timing, tawakkul. We plan, we strive, but the outcome is in His hands. The Quran says, "And it may be that you dislike a thing which is good for you." 2:116. Sabr is releasing the white-knuckle grip on how and when you think success should come. This release isn't defeat, it's the ultimate strategic move. It frees your mind from the anxiety of outcomes and allows you to focus on the quality of your effort. How do you build this trust? Through non-negotiable spiritual discipline. Salah, prayer. 5 times a day you practice the ultimate act of sabr, pausing your world to reconnect with its creator. This is mental and spiritual resetting. Fasting, a monthly masterclass in restraining desire and building willpower. Quran, daily immersion in divine guidance, a constant reminder of the bigger picture. This discipline isn't a separate religious activity, it's the maintenance of your inner engine. It's what prevents the inevitable setbacks of life from causing a system crash. It builds the emotional and mental resilience that the world calls grit. From patience to prosperity, the tangible harvest. So what's the harvest of this planted sabr? It's a multi-dimensional success. Inner prosperity, tranquility, the direct promise of Allah. Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account. Quran 30:10. This is the direct, unshakable peace that becomes your baseline. Relational success. Patience fosters empathy, deep listening, and forgiveness, the bedrock of strong families and communities. Professional and creative success. With a mind free from panic, you make better decisions. With consistency, sabr in action, you master skills. People are drawn to your dependable, calm energy. Opportunities find the prepared, patient mind. Legacy success. Your sabr becomes a living lesson for your children, your team, your community. You create a ripple effect of resilience. Look at the early Muslims. Their sabr on the battlefield of Badr, in the trenches of the Khandaq, and in the face of poverty didn't just help them get through. It built the civilization that would advance science, art, and justice for centuries. Your sabr is building your future civilization, your life, your family, your contribution. Your journey begins now. Sabr isn't a single grand act, it's the daily choice. It's the patience to pray Fajr when you're tired, the patience to speak kindly when you're angry, the patience to keep working on your dream when results are invisible. Your future success is being built not in the moments of celebration, but in these moments of conscious, faithful endurance. The test is the construction site. So the next time you face a delay, a difficulty, a disappointment, reframe it. Don't say, I have to wait this out. Say, this is the raw material. This is where I practice sabr. This is where my future is actively being built. And watch how everything changes. Which dimension of sabr do you need to strengthen most right now? Share in the comments. Let's support each other. If this perspective shifted something for you, like this video. It helps others find this message. Subscribe and hit the bell for more content that connects timeless wisdom to your modern life. Don't just wait for success. Build it with sabr. Assalamu alaikum.